Hello. Hi.
Hi, Birdie.
Want to see something cool?
What? I didn't see it. You have to show me again.
Okay.
Oh, that's pretty cool. Hey, Birdie.
Oops.
Hey, come on now.
Go to John. Introducing John Crazy Face. See, he's so crazy.
He wants to do it
Fly,
slowly.
birdie. Fly, birdie. Fly.
Whoa.
Oh.
Are you making it fly? Are you supposed to do that? It's probably not good.
Okay. Here's a kiss.
No kisses. Can't get that close to the camera, you know.
Well, too bad.
You
We have a
guys,
lot of toys.
you guys rearranged all your
Want
toys?
to see our dinosaur collection?
Sure.
Look at more Go-Go. This is my T-Rex. Look at more Go-Go. Look at more Go-Go.
Stop, not so close.
T-Rex. More Go-Go. How you doing? And my favorite dinosaur, even though it's tail broke off.
Nice.
That's Sean's.
Mess.
I'm not going to name each car. And he has 170 something cars.
Holy bejeebers.
And that says that I was little too.
Is that it?
Not that much, as Jared has cars.
I think that bird is a dinosaur.
Bye.